Yeah, so we're going to do some high current testing using a dirt cheap arc welder as a constant current power supply. And here's the not dirt cheap part. Here's a nice thermal camera here. So you can see the brown wires are getting a little warm, but the joint is not. And the joint is nickel spot welded onto steel. It's mildly warmed at the touch. Let's up the power here a little bit. Still not very hot. The joint is getting hot at all. Steel is mildly warm. Copper's mildly warm. More. There's 62 amps. Up that a little bit more. $70 amps. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, the plate, the steel plate is getting warm. And the ground clamp's getting warm. But the joint itself, I don't know. $87 amps. Just warm. Ow, that's kind of hot. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see what's getting hot. And the spot weld, definitely not getting hot. There. Spot weld is right there. Everything else hot. Not spot weld. Oh, that's pretty good. Much better than I thought.